Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to continue. Today we are going to start a new lesson because we have completed the question answers of the lessons told so in the last period. Okay. So today we are going to start new topic Sushruta, a peep into the past. Okay, Sushruta. So the part is given in this lesson, part 1 and part 2. Who is Sushruta? Do you know who is Sushruta? Sushruta was an Indian Ayurvedic physician. वो इंडियन आयुर्वेदिक फिजिशियन था, widely regarded as the father of Indian medicine or father of surgery. Sushruta is widely regarded as father of surgery or father of plastic surgery in Indian medicine. He wrote one of the world's earliest works on medicine and surgery. उसने एक बुक लिखी है और about what? World's earliest works on medicine and surgery. Sushruta was known as the main author of the treatise, the Compendium of Sushruta. The Compendium of Sushruta. Sushruta Samahita. The book name is Sushruta Samahita. So in this book, he has written about Indian medicine, about the surgery. Okay. During those days, physicians treating human beings were also trained in the care of the animals. Okay. During those days, physicians were treating human beings were also trained in the care of animals. The principles of animal surgery are effectively the same as that human surgery. Okay. The principles of the animal surgery are effectively same as that the human surgery. Indian medical treatises like Charaka, Sushruta and Harita. Samhitas contain chapters or references about care of the diseased as well as the healthy animals. There were, however, physicians who specialized only in the care of the animals. Physicians specialized only in the care of the animals, or even in one class of animals. The greatest of them all was Shalihotra, the father of veterinary sciences. Shalihotra, father of veterinary science means the science which related to animal, veterinary. Though Shalihotra gained all the knowledge of surgery from Sushruta and implemented it in the animal healthcare. Shalihotra ने सुश्रुता जो है आयुर्वेदिक फिजिशियन उनसे सारा नॉलेज लेके वो इम्प्लीमेंट करना शुरू कर दिया कहा एनिमल्स को. Animal healthcare. Once he asked Sushruta what all he would need to perform a surgery on a wonderful horse. Sushruta very quickly listed down all the instruments and the medicines that would be needed. 3 things are missing, Shalihotra said. अभी क्या हुआ? One, एक बार he asked Sushruta. Shalihotra ने सुश्रुता से पूछा. He asked Sushruta what all he would need to perform a surgery. उन्हें सर्जरी करने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए? On a wonderful horse, एक हॉर्स पे सर्जरी करनी है तो उसके लिए उनको क्या क्या चाहिए? Sushruta very quickly listed down all the instruments and the medicines that would be needed. Sushruta ने बहुत जल्दी whatever the medicine instrument he wants, he listed down. There 3 things are missing, Shalihotra said. Shalihotra बोल रहे थे कि 3 things are missing. Confused, Sushruta looked at him I will give a week to find them. Shalihutra consoled. Curious to find out what those three things were, Sushruta observed his teacher carefully. Sushruta observed his teacher carefully for the next 1 week. Observation Shruta, next 1 week के लिए. Before operating the horse, Shalihotra observed every part of the horse. Horse के ऊपर ऑपरेशन करने से पहले उन्होंने उसके सारे बॉडी पार्ट को ऑब्जर्व किया. And then Sushruta found the first missing thing. फिर सुश्रुता जी को फर्स्ट मिसिंग थिंग क्या लगी? अ गुड वेटरनेरियन should have an eagle's eye. गुड वेटरनेरियन मीन्स जो जानवरों का डॉक्टर. ओके, उनको एक पियर्सिंग आई, अच्छी ऑब्जर्वेशन होना जरूरी है. देन शालिहोत्रा ट्रीटेड द एनिमल एज इफ वर हिज ओन. शालिहोत्रा ने एनिमल्स को ऐसे ट्रीट किया कि वो हॉर्स खुद उनका है, ना कि पेशेंट है. सिर्फ वो हॉर्स खुद उनका हॉर्स है, इस तरह से उन्होंने ट्रीट किया. Balancing science and compassion equally. And lo, Sushruta found his second rule. A good veterinarian should have a lion's heart. First, a good veterinarian should have eagle's eye. Second, a good veterinarian should have a lion's heart. Shalihotra helped the horse recover after the surgery. सर्जरी के बाद भी शालिहोत्रा ने हॉर्स को पूरी अच्छी तरह से रिकवर होने के लिए हेल्प की. सो सुश्रुता केम टू नो दैट अ गुड वेटरनरी शुड हैव अ मदर्स टच टू. हर एक डॉक्टर के लिए एक जो मदर में कैसे वार्मथ होता है, टच होता है, लव होता है, तो वो होना चाहिए अपने पेशेंट के तरफ. ओके, अपने पेशेंट के लिए. सो वो ही पेशेंट उतना ही जल्दी रिकवर हो सकता है, ये सारी चीजें उसको मिले तो. सो दिस इज द part 1 of the Sushruta. Now part 2. A tradition of veterinary therapy developed very early in India. इंडिया में veterinary therapy पहले बहुत जल्दी डेवलप हुई थी. And this has survived to the present time based on the Ayurveda. Okay, आयुर्वेदिक में ये बेस्ट है. Indian veterinary medicine is known for its specialized literature. ये क्या है? स्पेशलाइज्ड लिटरेचर के लिए मानी जाती है. Which provides information on ancient methods of preventing and treating diseases of animals. So यहाँ पे एनिमल्स को कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, कैसे डिसीज से उन्हें प्रिवेंट करते हैं, ये सारी दी हुई है. Some of these treatments little known outside India are still practiced today. Okay, outside India में भी ये सारी चीजें, ये सारी मेथड्स अभी भी प्रैक्टिस होती है, still practiced today. The oldest existing veterinary text from India is a treatise entitled Ashwa Ayurved Siddhanta. Asav Ayurved Siddhanta. Complete Ayurvedic system for horses. Ashwa Ayurved Siddhanta. So ये oldest extincting veterinary text है इंडिया का. Okay, Ashwa Ayurved Siddhanta, complete Ayurvedic system for the horses, attributed to Shalihotra around 2350 BCE, the founder of veterinary medicine. He is the Shalihotra, he is the founder of veterinary medicine. Subsequently, various treatises on horses and diseases of horses were composed. Nakula, one of the 5 Pandavas, you know the 5 Pandavas. So one of them is Nakul, Sahadev, you know the name. Okay. So Nakula is one of the 5 Pandavas, was a horse specialist himself. Among the best known works of animal literature is Ashwa Chikitsa. Ashwa Chikitsa means therapy of horses. Various therapies on the horses. That is Ashwa Chikitsa, written by Nakula. नकुल ने ये लिखा है. Later, during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya, about 300 BC, veterinarians started accompanying armies to treat horses, elephants, as well as cattle. The great Emperor Ashoka erected the first known veterinary hospitals of the world. अशोका ने एक बड़ा हॉस्पिटल बनाया, फर्स्ट नोन वेटरनरी हॉस्पिटल, एम्परर अशोका. He arranged cultivation of herbal medicines for men and animals in his empire and adjoining kingdoms, giving the animals general tonics and stimulants. उनको जनरल स्टिमुलेंट जो भी जनरल मेडिसिन है वो देते थे. Was practiced in order to ensure their good mental health and physical health. एनिमल्स की गुड मेंटल हेल्थ एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ को सुधारने के लिए उनको अच्छे मेडिसिन दिए जाते थे. ओके, नाउ प्रिवेंशन ऑफ दिस ऑकरेंस ऑफ डिसीजेस आर आल्सो गिवन ऑन इम्पोर्टेंस. सो इन दिस वे दे वर ट्राइंग टू क्योर द एनिमल्स. दे वर लुकिंग आफ्टर द मेंटल हेल्थ एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ ऑफ द animals. Cleanliness of animals, maintenance of stalls and stables, quality of food, disadvantages of overfeeding were looked after. So everything was done in this hospital. Okay, so here we will stop. Remaining portion we will continue in the next period. Okay, so what is your homework? Read this lesson. Your homework is read the lesson Sushruta. Very interesting lesson about our Ayurveda, about our ancient physicians. Okay, so we'll stop here and next remaining portion will continue in the next period. Okay, bye.